You can turn your boring under-display fingerprint sensor icon into this, and many more options. This cool feature is available on Project MATRIXX Custom ROM, so you need to flash the ROM to use this feature. You can follow our easy installation guide. Link will be provided in the description box. The feature is found under MATRIXX Settings inside Lock Screen option, and look for UDFPS or Under-Display Fingerprint Sensor icon. It has options for icon picker, custom animation, and even custom icon that you can use and upload from your gallery. Here's a preview of each of the icon and animation. You can also use your own image by enabling the custom UDFPS icon option and upload your PNG file from your gallery. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers!